This is what you need: potato, coconut oil, sausages, mozzarella cheese, and minced beef. This is how it looks when it's fried. So this is the raw minced beef. I'm frying it now, adding some spices: garlic, ginger, black pepper, and all-purpose spices. Then after it's fried, this is how it looks. Then I've peeled my potatoes. I'm going to fry it with salt, and I like to fry my sausages also. So this is mozzarella cheese shredded. So basically what you do after this is just to add everything on top of each other like that in this pattern, and this is how it looks. So you leave it in the microwave for 4 minutes for everything to stick together, and then you add chili sauce. That's it. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. Thank you.